Hey everybody, what's happening? Son of a silver stacker here. In today's numismatic news and information for the 4th day of May, 2021, I'd like to take you over here to JM Bullion to start our day and look at the live spot prices. Gold is down $9.71 to $17.88.99. Silver's down 10 cents to $26.87. Platinum is up $7.59 to $12.47.50. And palladium is up $33.89, and it's past that $3,000 threshold. So that's pretty incredible. Now, next thing I want to do is take you over here to the Google machine and say, what are commodities? And commodity is a raw material or primary agricultural product that can be bought and sold, such as copper or coffee. Now, why did I bring up commodity? Because commodity prices. Now, if you put commodity prices in the Google machine and put news tab, it says widespread commodity shortages raise inflation fears. Next one up here, 11 hours ago, truck driver shortage could cause commodity price hikes. That's two different factors. The shortage of drivers means the shortage of delivering commodities, which raises prices on both ends. Commodity supercycle gathers momentum. What's next for prices? Oh boy, that's 22 hours ago. Commodity prices to stabilize after early 2021 gains, says the World Bank's. Yeah, probably not, I guess. Ballooning commodity prices are about to hit consumers in a big way. Okay, yeah, that's probably reasonable. And how is it going to hit consumers in a big way? Well, let's go to the Consumer Price Index. What is the Consumer Price Index, you say? The Consumer Price Index measures an average change in prices over time that consumers pay for a basket of goods and services. Gasoline, food, the beauty salon, anywhere you go and spend money. CPI is the most widely used measure of inflation and, by proxy, of the effectiveness of the government's economic policy. So you can check that out. So why did I say that? Well, because guess what? Coming up next week on May 12, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, 5:30 Pacific, the United States government and the U.S. Bureau of Labor and Statistics is going to be releasing their next Consumer Price Index report. Yeah, and that could have a really dramatic effect on gold and silver. I mean, at least I think it would, because of the fact that this particular report is going to show rising inflation. And I think that's going to be the writing on the wall for the investors and the hedge funds, the institutional investors, because they really can't speculate, okay? That's a lot of money that they're holding on to, and if they did speculate, they wouldn't have a job there. So if these start showing more strength and a bull market, commodities would definitely start to be purchased up by the big banks and big investors, the whales, so to speak. Because I'll tell you what, if we are in a super cycle, this isn't going to stop. Look at this gold price futures technical analysis 19 hours ago. They're looking at 1817. So if the big boys see that and they know they can, look in a falling environment, you want to put your money in something where you're actually making money or preserving your money. Look at this gold prices to buy gold rise, sentiment eases, gold prices ease off 2-month. Now check this out. Now gold and silver, they're, look at this. If we look at this chart, down and down, and it even says here, silver price forecast, silver markets break out. Yeah, kind of. Look at this. World Bank 20 hours ago. World Bank sees dreary gold prices, silver and platinum to outperform 2021. So they're saying that gold is kind of going to remain stagnant, but silver and platinum are going to outperform. I definitely see silver and platinum doing that. Gold, I think, would too, but that's all right. Gold, silver, power to 9-week highs. So they're at 9-week highs, which is incredible. But guess what else is at highs? All-time highs. Look at this. This is the platinum price. Look at this platinum. The auto demand for platinum set to reach pre-pandemic levels, which is good for platinum because they use platinum in automobiles, and they also use platinum in hydrogen vehicles. So this metal is going to be very popular soon in a green environment, definitely. And we're almost at all-time highs here for platinum and palladium. Even look at the palladium here. Palladium on its way to 3,000. We know that's true. Supply deficit sends palladium price to an all-time high. So we're looking at supply deficits. Look at this for copper. And I'm not trying to beat a dead horse or anything. But this is what's happening. This is what the writing on the wall says. Look at this. The world risks running out of copper, and here's how high prices may rise as the economy reopens. So if this is 13 hours ago. What happens if we run out of copper? The United States government's going to have to get rid of some of the coins or change the metal rather quickly for next year, I would imagine. It says here copper prices rise to 10-year high, near record. They already are. I think they're at $10,000 now, which is incredible. Not only that, but so is aluminum. Aluminum is also at a high. I mean, 11-year high, 10-year high, and that was weeks ago. We have to be at an all-time high now. So that begs the question, why isn't silver at an all-time high, and why isn't gold at an all-time high, right? If all these other commodities are seeing price hikes and all that good stuff, why is it that silver, I mean, even I didn't even show you nickel, but nickel's at a high too. I mean, come on. All these other commodities are going sky high, except the two that represent money. That is so curious, isn't it? Think about that. What's going on there? You know, when something doesn't look right or something doesn't add up, it probably doesn't add up for a good reason, right? Listen, folks, I want to thank y'all for watching. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you do like what you hear and see, subscribe to the channel. It's free. May the 4th be with you. Out.